Stop touching me says, new tenant moved into the property approximately 2 weeks ago and is asking for a cleaning credit. The cost is $300 for a 900 square foot apartment. I thought this was kind of high for such a small apartment and my property manager agreed. The apartment was also cleaned by the previous tenant, then on a separate occasion by me prior to the showings, and on the morning of the move-in, it was cleaned by the property management company. I don't want to pay the cleaning credit as I know the property was cleaned having once moved in. I haven't cleaned it once myself, and seeing it after the property manager cleaned it the morning before the keys were handed off. Not only that, but if you expected credit for this definitely feels like something you could have asked for the property manager to handle, as it isn't something urgent in the vein of a water leak or something of that sort. I think that's totally busted. Yeah, no, absolutely not. I would never get pushed around. I would never get pushed around like this by a tenant. I'd never let my clients get pushed around like this. If you cleaned it and you know it's clean and then you had someone else clean it and then you cleaned it one more time right before the keys were handed over, not a chance that I would even consider crediting back a cleaning fee unless everybody had missed something. So what you can do is ask the tenant, hey, what was cleaned? And if they can provide some sort of receipt for that, and that's something that maybe you did forget, like, oh wow, each time that it was cleaned, even though it was cleaned multiple times, we forgot the kitchen, then okay, then it's probably not a $300 bill, but that makes a little bit more sense. Other than that, don't feel like you have to give in to the demands of the tenants. You're not their hostage, you're providing them a home to stay in, and if they don't like it, wait till the lease is up and then they can leave. Other than that, leave a comment below with questions you want answered, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.